Professor K. Thomas Memorial Inter-College Life Science Quiz. I'm sure that you are eagerly waiting for the final round. Let me welcome first of all St. Joseph's College, Alapura. You can take the A position. Next comes BCM College from Kottayam. Now comes the university, our neighborhood university, MG University, the team from MG University. And we have a team which comes from quite a distant place, FMNC from Kollam. Okay, that's it. The stage is set now. We're all set to start the quiz right now. Before I start, I would like to give the mic to the participants and give a self-introduction to the audience. It's your chance. Louder. First quiz this year? Yes, all the best.
Myself Panchami, and I'm currently pursuing MSc in Biochemistry from University campus.
First quiz this year? All the best.
My name is Navneet Sini Jones, Fatima Mother National College, BSc Zoology second year.
First quiz this year. Okay, all the best. Crowd, audience, please give them a big hand. Okay, before we start the quiz, let me just introduce the rounds. I am a cricket buff, so I've taken terms from the cricket. We have 4 rounds. The first round is a swing round, so the score can swing any time. The second is a Yorker. You may be bowled, clean bowled. And the third one is googly. And the fourth one is the round, the most important round, the crucial round. You can score a lot of marks, and that is the free hit round. So remember, swing round, you get 15 marks if you get a direct question and you answer the direct question. No, 10 marks. And if the question is passed to you, you'll get 5 marks. Round 2, again the same thing, the score for each question, 10 marks. If you get a direct question, if it is passed, you'll get 5 marks. And in the googly round, you don't have any passing, like direct questions only. There's no, and if you answer it, you get 20 marks. Free hit, that is 20. I'll give you 4 balls. First ball, second ball, third ball, fourth ball. If you answer at the first ball, you will get 20 marks. But if it is wrong, I will cut -5. Second chance, second ball, if you hit, you'll get 15 marks, but there is no negatives there onwards. So if you hit gold, sixer in the third ball, you'll get 10 marks. It goes like that, 5 deduced. So that's it. And audience also, there are prizes for you also. I'll ask some questions. So if these guys don't answer the question will be passed to you. And whoever sits in the audience can tell the answer and you'll get some small prizes. Anyone can answer. So it should be a game-like thing. Let's play the game. So we start here right now. Let's go. First question. The question goes to A. Now, Oxford University Press, it's a very famous academic press. Every year they announce a word. And the word is called the word of the year. And this year also they have announced. My question is, what is the word? It has some biological connection. That's why I ask you, what is that word? Question goes to Team A. The word of the year 2024. Team B, you get 5 marks if you answer. Oxford University Press, the word of the year 2024. Exactly, give them a big hand. Brain rot. Brain rot. I hope it's clear for you. Brain rot is a word which Oxford University wanted to tell because of decline in the brain activity because of heavy online content usage. Mobile phone, laptops, everything. This generation is making their brain decline. That's why they have put this word brain rot as the word of the year. Team B gets the first question. Why not landslide? Was a big problem for Kerala. We had a problem identifying the victims because most of the victims' bodies were decayed and it was not a full body decomposed. So there were a lot of problems identifying or getting the identity. So the government switched on to a new technology to identify the victims from the dead body parts. Name the technology which the government thought about using. rather than using the conventional way of DNA sequencing. Team B, your time starts now. Okay. Pause. Team C. Palindrome sequence. That is a convert. Can you just give a short form? Palindromes comes here and there. Can you give an abbreviation? It's a very famous technology. I'll give you one more minute. If you can hit, you'll get the marks. I think the question can be passed on to Team D. Yes, DVI. Disaster Victim Identification. That is the technology used. Specially meant for DVI. This DNA sequencing is specifically meant for DVI, Disaster Victim Identification. Tell me the short form. No, that is not the, it's a broad umbrella term. What is the DNA technology you're using? Yes, the time gets over. Now, question passed to Team A. Sir, thank you. PCR is there. Audience gets their first chance. This is your chance. Anyone from the audience, come on. Anybody, you're free to speak out. No. Philip, sir, you want to say? Right. Anyone from the audience? No. I'll give some more time for the audience. No. Running out of time. Okay, I will just tell the answer. If there are no one to speak out, I'll say NGS, Next Generation Sequencing. Give me a big applause. The third question of Swing Round. India of late has been embarking on a lot of ambitious missions. And this is one of the ambitious missions of India. Can you tell me the mission name? Can you identify the mission? Here. Team C gets the question. Direct question. If you answer, you get 10 marks. You're from university, right? Excuse me? The answer is wrong. Goes to D. Very good, Samudrayan. Can you mention it a little more clearly? Even though it's called Samudrayan, it has a very clear name. I'll give marks for that. It is called Malsya 6000, right? Okay, good. Give them 5 marks, right? So that's an ambitious mission. A manned vehicle will go down 6,000 feet deep to the ocean and will try to understand the biodiversity and the ecology of the oceans. So Narendra Modi is embarking on many missions. Aditya, Samudrayan, Chandrayaan, etc., etc. It goes on like that. Okay, next question. UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme's highest honor given to organizations, people, etc. And last year, a person was awarded. We are very familiar with the person. I want to ask you who is that. Before that, 2023, Kochi Airport bagged this award. That is Champions of the Earth. Now tell me who was awarded this year's Champions of the Earth prize honor. No, the answer is wrong. The answer is wrong. Champions of Earth. No idea? No idea? You're right, Madhav Gadgil. Madhav Gadgil was awarded the Champions of the Earth, very high on the highest honor given by the United Nations Environmental Programme. Okay, the first round is over, right? Yes. We start now Ulta, DCBA. So you get the first question. Swing round. I don't know how to explain anything. Everything is red. This is, you have to identify. Is there any problem? What strikes in your mind if you hear the word Naegleria fowleri? This is the scientific name of an organism. Does it strike in your mind something after hearing this? Brain-eating amoeba. Can you tell me is the name for the disease it causes? Correct. Brain encephalitis. This was a problem not in America or UK. It was in Kerala. This was reported and it was a fatal disease. Many people died because of this brain-eating amoeba, which gets into your, through water, enters through a nasal passage and eats your brain up. And death is the casualty. So you get 10 marks. Team D gets 10 marks. Give them a big hand. Team A, your question. Direct question. Sorry, Team C. Team C. A tree. The tree can tell you a story. Very good. The wildlife sanctuary is named in honor of this tree. Chendruni Wildlife Sanctuary. Understood. You find this endemic to that area, right? So that's called Glutathan Travancore. Okay, you get? Whose words are this? Today we are learning the language in which God created life. We are gaining ever more awe for the complexity, the beauty, the wonder of God's most divine and sacred gift. With this profound new knowledge, humankind is on the verge of gaining immense new power to heal. Whose words are this? These words were said in a very, very important event. It's considered as one of the most important events in the human history. And this was announced by a very powerful person. Can anyone guess the person, or can you make a wild guess? Team B gets the chance. 10 marks if you answer the right, if you give me the right answer. Team B, your time is over. Team A, your time is over. They pass the question. FMNC gets the chance. Mahatma Gandhi was not alive that time. Good guess. No, he was there. Huh? No, both of them were there. Not Mendel, Francis was there. Anyone else? I think I've given you all the chance. Yes, audience, it's your chance. I'm sure you won't get it. But I'll be very surprised if you give me the answer. Anybody? No, all the chocolates are waiting for you, guys. I think I will have to eat them all today. Hard work for me. No answers. Okay, I'll tell the answer. It is United States President Bill Clinton. It was announced when the human genome sequence was for the first time revealed to the world. So Bill Clinton's words are this. Okay, now, again a disease. I thought I should avoid this, but I had no other. It's a disease which was reported again. Yes, new infections, new diseases, and new problems. That's what the humankind faces in this era. So this is also another disease which has been reported, and that also in India. GBS. Team A. Team A. What is that? It's a bacterial infection. GBS, not GPS. GBS. Pass. Time over. Yeah, why the question is wrong. Your answer is right. I will speak in Malayalam also, right? I think if I have some difficulty, right? No. Pass. No. Audience, can you please come forward? Aftab, yeah, very nice to meet you. Aftab, where are you from?
I'm from QSAT.
QSAT, okay. Give me a big round of applause. Big hand. Chocolate and a pen. Good. Keep going. We go to the second round, right? Again, another question from UNFCCC. COP29. Where was it held? UNFCCC. COP29. COP28 was held in Dubai. This was held recently, a few months back. This is a very important event of the United Nations Conference of Party, which discusses about climate change. Every year they discuss in length about the action measures to be taken. Team A. Team C. Very good. Baku, Azerbaijan. Give them a big hand. MG University strikes again. One of the biggest sources of ocean pollution. What is this? This is not a right image, magnified image. Can you just make out what is it? B. Does it look like an oil spill? I think my image is little blurred. Can you make it little more precise? I'll give marks for that. Like specified. Microplastic is a broad term. I won't give for microplastics. Can you make it some more broad guess? Yeah, this is I think the image is little blurred. Yeah, it is microscopic. But in reality, the image will be like more small. Ballpoint pen. This was a question posed by the Hindu quiz. Hindu has a weekly quiz which is which is conducted by Mr. Burley, and I have taken the question from Mr. Burley. It's a ballpoint pen. They say that it causes a lot of pollution in the ocean. It's a magnified image. Yes, Team C. There are many celebrities in animal kingdom. Can you identify this animal? Team C, yes, MG University. They have honored the animal by releasing stamps of this dog. What I want is details of the dog. Laika! Laika was sent in Sputnik 2 by the Russians, but unfortunately, it was a suicide mission. The dog survived only for 10 days. So give a salute to Laika. So now, Drosophila is going now. Indian government has announced 10 Drosophila is going. So let's pray for the safety of Drosophila. Next question goes to D. Now elephants are animals. They say that they have a very sharp memory, and they say the elephant's sense of memory is because of this particular organ. Can you just give me the name of this organ? Elephant. You can see that. Team D, right? Yes. Yeah, that is the first picture and both. This is a blurred. I'm sorry that the image. Yes, second part. It's a magnified image of the first photo. No, sorry, it's not a tusk. Elephant has a very sharp sense of smell, and they say that this has a very important role in that sharp olfactory perception. Team A, your time starts now. Already tumbike tusko ko paranju. Any idea?
Lining of buccal cavity.
No, it has I need a specific name.
Jacobson's organ.
You're right. Vomeronasal organ or Jacobson's organ. Very good. MG University strikes again. Give them a big hand. It's called the vomeronasal organ or Jacobson's organ. In many animals, it's quite active, and in case of elephants, it's very, very prominent. Next, we finish the first round. Let us see what the score is. Over to Malavika.
വാശിയേറിയ ഒന്നാമത്തെ റൗണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ A team 0 points, B team 0 points, and C team 40 points, and D team 20 points.
First question of the second round, Yorker round. This is movies. I am very crazy about movies. This is a very important movie. I suggest that all of you should watch. The poster of the movie looks like a David Attenborough documentary, but it is not. It is a Malayalam movie, and it was released in OTT. Don't miss it if you get it. It's quite lagging, but still it has a very important environmental message. This is the caption of the movie, the Arbit documentation of an amphibian hunt. The question goes to Team A. Please name the movie. The Arbit's documentation of an amphibian hunt. Name the movie. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൂവി ഉണ്ടോ? അതെപ്പോൾ ഇറങ്ങി? Or is it coming, releasing soon? So recently means it can be 10 years, 2 years, 1 year. 2 years, 3 years. I think it is 3 years. COVID time, right? I guess. But it's a very, very, very good movie. Good movie means critically acclaimed movie. I hope MG University will answer this. No. Oh, I'm surprised. Yes, Avasa Vyuham. A movie directed by Krishant. Very good. Avasa Vyuham. Team D gets 5 marks. National Pollution Day is actually on December 2. Why do we celebrate it on December 2? It has a significance. Why that date is very important. Why that date has importance. That's what I want to know. December 2. Time over, please. Bhopal gas time. That's a Yorker. Very good. Give them a big hand, yaar. Come on. Nitrates. Blue baby syndrome. Blue baby syndrome. Because if water contains, and the Central Groundwater Authority of India has declared that this has become a big problem. Nitrates in the states all over India, except Kerala, the nitrate percentage is going very high, very alarming, and it causes diseases in babies, and that disease is called blue baby syndrome. Marco, you asked me, right? Expand it. Anyway, N will stand for only national.
National Agricultural and
Very good. I'm sorry, the answer is wrong. It's not the answer. NACO. Yeah, that's right. The answer is, hey, audience gets their chance. Yeah, here comes. Come on, take the gift. Please come forward. Come forward. വന്നാലും ദേവൻ എവിടുന്ന ദേവൻ വരുന്നത്? TKM കോളേജ് എത്രയും പോകാൻ ദൂരത്ത്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് ക്വിസ്? ക്വിസ് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? താങ്ക് യു. ദേവൻ ആൻസർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണേ. ഇവർക്കാർക്ക് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാതെ നാഷണൽ എയ്ഡ്സ് കൺട്രോൾ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ. യോർക്കർ റൗണ്ട് ഇസ് ഓവർ. യെസ്, യു ഹാവ് 3 vehicles here. 3 vehicles here. ഞാൻ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ പവർഡ് വെഹിക്കിളാണ്. ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ട്രെയിൻ ഇൻ ദ വേൾഡ് ടു റൺ ബൈ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ പവർ വെഹിക്കിൾ. ഇറ്റ്സ് കോൾഡ് ദ Alstom Coradia and Toyota Mirai. That also runs on hydrogen, and then you have give them a big hand here, please. Yeah. Team C gets your chance. So this is actually adopted from Greek mythology. It's a monster according to Greek mythology. But this idea has been taken in many biological concepts. It's a very famous concept in biology. What do you call it? The idea is taken from Greek mythology, where you have a creature. Can you name it? You have come across the term many times. No doubt about it. Once I say the answer, I'm sure someone from the audience will answer. C gets the chance. Siamese? No, the question is passed to B. Cryptozoology? No, that is about low temperature studies, right? Or hidden secrets. Crypto? No idea.
mutation.
No. In Greek mythology, you have a particular name for this creature. I know, yeah, this creature has 3 creatures: a lion, a goat, and a serpent, a snake. They work together. The Greek mythology says that they act as a single organism. What is it called? No, audience gets so many hands. Yeah, all of you will get prizes. Please come forward. I'll start from the last row. Please come forward. All of you can say it together. Come. എല്ലാവർക്കും പ്രൈസ് കൊടുത്തരും കേട്ടോ. ചോക്ലേറ്റ് പകുതി ഒടിച്ചു കൊടുത്താൽ മതി എല്ലാവർക്കും. ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ, എല്ലാവരോടും ചോദിക്കണേ. ആദ്യം എല്ലാവരെയും വിളിച്ചു ചോദിക്കും. തെറ്റാണെങ്കിൽ പറയത്തില്ല. എല്ലാവർക്കും ആരൊക്കെയാണ് ശരിയെന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ലല്ലോ. I will just let's switch off the mic. Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. Yes. Yes. You're right. All of them right. Give them a big hand. The answer is, I want them to say it together. Answer is? Chimera. Okay, you get your prize. Thanks for coming. Okay, enjoy the quiz. ഓഡിയൻസിന് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചോദ്യമുണ്ട്. ഇന്നത്തെ മലയാള ദിവസം പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ചോക്ലേറ്റ് കിട്ടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓഡിയൻസിനുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇന്നത്തെ മലയാള ദിവസം ഏത് വർഷമാണെന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് ഡിസംബർ അല്ല ഫെബ്രുവരി ആണെന്ന് അറിയാം. മലയാള മാസം ദിവസം പറയുന്നവർക്ക് പ്രൈസ്. ഓഡിയൻസ്, എനിവൺ ഫ്രം ദ ഓഡിയൻസ്? യെസ്, കുംഭമാസം ഡേറ്റ് അറിയോ? വെരി ഗുഡ്, ഹി ഗെറ്റ്സ് എ പ്രൈസ്. ഗീവ് എ ചോക്ലേറ്റ്. കുംഭമാണെന്നെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞു. കുംഭമാസം 8, കൊല്ലവർഷം 1200. പാ. Gopika from? Very good, very good. Gopika, thanks for your answer. Okay, good. Kollavarsham, Kumbham. Next question. Yes, again, just read this. I have deleted one top, the name. So I hope you can see this. This building on 28th August 1897, the late, a benefactor of mankind, made the great discovery of the parasites of malaria in a dissected Anopheles mosquito. This plaque is erected by the Conferment Authority, Secunderabad. And I will give a clue, he wins the Nobel Prize. Can you name the winner? Team D. You is faster. It is here in India. He did his work in India. That's what we have to be proud of. We always complain that we don't have facilities. A scientist sitting in an Indian building and doing work and wins the Nobel Prize. No. Gender, not gender. Switch it on. Sir Ronald Roos. Give her a big hand, Sir Ronald Roos. If you go to Secunderabad, you will find it the Institute of Parasitology. There is a fever hospital. They call it, Hyderabad is called it fever hospital. I have visited that place. And there you find this particular plaque in honor of Sir Ronald Roos. The question goes to Team A. What is the every Environment Day has a theme. And this Environment Day has a very short theme. What is the theme of the Environment Day? 2025, not 2024, upcoming, within few months. Can you tell me the theme of the Environment Day 2025? No, sorry. I'll give marks. It is ending plastic pollution. You are very close. Give a 5 marks. Ending plastic pollution. I'm very happy about MG University, okay? They're going strong. So, we move on to the next round. That is the googly round. We move on to googly round. Here, the questions will not be passed to any team. You have to say. That means you will get 4 direct questions. The questions will not be passed. Are you following? Okay, that's called googly. Team A. You have to find the old man out. I think you can see this. Team A, right? Once you say it's over, okay. The answer is wrong. It's not umami. Go to the audience. Spicy. Sorry, this time no chocolates. All of you know that. Spicy. We don't have a taste bud for spicy. It's actually an irritant. Okay. Erivannu പറയുന്ന ഒരു irritant ആണ്. It's not a taste bud. തേവള്ളി കുരിപ്പുഴ കണ്ടച്ചിറ തെക്കുംപാകം പെരുമൺ കാഞ്ഞിരോട്ട് കല്ലട കുമ്പളത്ത്. What connects all these? I hope the question will not reach you. I hope the question doesn't reach you. Team B. തേവള്ളി കുരിപ്പുഴ കണ്ടഞ്ചിറ തെക്കുംഭാഗം പെരുമൺ കാഞ്ഞിരോട്ട് കല്ലട. ഇത് ബസ് സ്റ്റാൻഡ് വിളിക്കുന്നതല്ല കേട്ടോ. ബസ് പോകുന്ന റൂട്ടൊന്നുമല്ല. I don't know whether a bus goes that way. How question can be passed? Audience. അയ്യോ, ഓഡിയൻസിന് ആരും ഇല്ലേ? Water bodies. He will tell the answer because he is from Kollam. അഷ്ടമുടി കായലിൻ്റെ 8 ശാഖകളാണ്. അഷ്ടമുടി എന്താണ്? അഷ്ടമുടി. You will get your prize later on. Okay, again, something related to Kerala. You, which team? See, വാഴക്കുളം പൈനാപ്പിൾ, രാമശ്ശേരി ഇഡലി, വയനാട് റോബസ്റ്റ കോഫി, ഓണാട്ടുകര റൈസ്, അട്ടപ്പാടി തുവര, മറയൂർ ജാഗറി, തിരൂർ ബെറ്റർ ലീഫ്, കുറ്റിയാട്ടൂർ മാംഗോസ്. Which one is a misfit here? Somebody is നുഴഞ്ഞു കയറിയിരിപ്പുണ്ട് ഇതിനിടയിൽ. ഇത് ആരാണ് നുഴഞ്ഞു കയറിയത് നിങ്ങൾ പറയണം. ഇതാരുടെ ചാൻസ്? നിങ്ങളുടെ ടീം സി. MG. രാമശ്ശേരി ഇഡലി. The answer is wrong. First time. Audience, please guess here. These are all GA tagged, okay? You know what is a geographic index, right? It's tagged. Very important. ഗവൺമെൻറ് പെർമിഷൻ കൊടുത്ത് അത് ദുരുപയോഗം ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി. രാമശ്ശേരി ഇഡലിക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് ഇതാണ്, ഓണാട്ടുകര റൈസ്. അത് എൻ്റെ ബ്രാൻഡാണ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് മൈ ബ്രാൻഡ്, ഓണാട്ടുകര റൈസ്, വിച്ച് ഈസ് നോട്ട് അപ്രൂവ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ ഗവൺമെൻറ്. എല്ലാവരും അവരുടെ ബോഡിയൊക്കെ തൊട്ട് നോക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു പാർട്ട് അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അത് ഏതാണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ പറയണം. ഫിൽട്രം അല്ല. ഫിൽട്രം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഫിൽട്രം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാണ്. യു ഹാവ് എ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ഒരു മുനമ്പുണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ മൂക്കിന് താഴെയും ചുണ്ടിന് മുകളിലായിട്ടുള്ള, അതിനാണ് ഫിൽട്രം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഡാർവിൻസ് പോയിന്റ്, ചെവിയുടെ അവിടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ മുഴപ്പുണ്ട്. അത് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്, ചിലർക്ക് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. ഒരു ചെറിയ എഡ്ജ്, അതാണ് ഡാർവിൻസ് പോയിന്റ്. ആക്സില്ല, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യുവർ ആം പിറ്റ്. Coccyx, that is your tail. So the answer is Hooke's ligament. That's a googly. Once more, please. Googly. Yes, that's a googly. Hooke's ligament. There's no something ligament like that. There's no ligament like that. We come to the last round. All of you get ready. Before I start the last round, I want to tell you, it depends upon your luck. I can't balance the question. So I'll give you 4 balls. First ball, if you hit it, you will get 20 marks. But if you hit it, if somebody catches you, that means if it's the wrong answer, you get -5. Then you can again go attempt, but you will get only 50. So we go to last round. All of you, all the best. This is the most crucial round. If you answer at the first chance, you get 20 marks. But if it is wrong, -5 will be deducted. And if you go subsequently, the second ball, if you hit it right, you get 15 marks. Third ball, 10 marks. Fourth ball, 5 marks. That's it. So all of you get ready. The first one, free hit. Once again. So you're all ready for the free hit. This is the free hit, the first ball. Okay, you can read this. I should not read it, right? You just take your time, okay? I'll give you time. And I'm telling you, I'll give only one option, okay? One chance. Once you say the answer, there is no correction, okay? So take your time and tell me the answer. We were happily living and wreaking havoc in the stomach, causing gastritis and ulcers until those villains, Robin Warren and Barry James Marshall, exposed us to the world. That is the first clue. If you give me the right answer right now, you get 20 marks. So you get there's no pass. Do you want to try? If you try, you get 20. But if it is wrong, second you can go again. But there are no more deductions. Okay, I'll give you the second. So they have. This is very interesting. The sense Barry Marshall was so determined to expose our nasty effects in the stomach that he cultured us and drank us. You will get 15 marks. No. So they go for the third ball. So once question you have to identify. I told you that we were wreaking havoc. That means there were some yes. People believed that it was because of spicy food, but Barry Marshall proved it wrong. They even went for drinking it by making a culture and then drinking the solution. Your time runs out. The last ball. No idea. I have to give an audience the chance. They have already, yes. Ants, please come here. I heard you speaking out the right answer. Ants will give the right answer right now. You can you're all waiting for it. Please. Helicobacter pylori. Peptic ulcer. Answer is caused by, before that, give her a gift. Good, well done. It's all over for you. Next team, your first ball. If you answer right, if you give me the right answer right now, you get 20 marks. A very important event, the eubacterial or eukaryotic evolution. I have to tell you, this is the part you have to focus, okay? Don't tell me the process or something. Mygenesis. Take your time. Mygenesis starts with the key event in the formation of eukaryotes. I've written it very vaguely so that you don't get the answer at the first clue. Any guess? No. It's about only Ana. Next ball. Second ball. Third ball. Okay. No idea. Last ball. You don't want it. You'll get 5 marks. This is your last chance. Ready? I am there for you. But I don't give you the textbook diagram. That's it. Audience. So many hands up. Yes. Specs wala. Come forward, please. Where are you from? Alpha. Very good, Alpha. What's your name?
Leah.
Leah. Congrats. Can you tell me the answer? Yeah, it's mitochondria. Very good. Give her a prize. Yeah, free hit. Good. So that's the story for A and B. Now we move on to the stars. These are the 2 people who are doing consistently good. Team C, right? First ball. If you I can score 20, right? If you give me the answer right now, I want the team to score at the first clue. Hit it. Free hit. Oh my God. Second ball. Audience already, there's no minus point, okay? Only in the first chance you have minus point. That's what I'm telling. No, your chance is over. Audience. So many are, she's already ready. Come on. Yes. Tobit will come. You're right. Please go and take your seat. Tobit. Ningada syllabus ulla alle. Alle veikku parnu.
Wallenstein.
Yeah, Wallenstein. Wallenstein was a very simple question. Now, Alfred Russell Wallace line, that is. The last question, the last round, your chance. First ball. I am synthesized by the so-called the third eye or the seat of the soul. Next ball. Very good. I am called sometimes called the hormone of darkness. I am sometimes called the hormone of darkness. Your chance is over. Audience, yeah, please come. You can come. Deepu, melatonin. Hey, please come here. Yaar. Melatonin. So with this question, we come to the end of the 26th Professor K. Thomas Memorial. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed. I took it as a game. I am really thankful to all of you, and I hope we all had a nice time. It's time to see who is the winner. Let's listen to Alina.
നല്ല മാർക്കോടെ ഇവിടെ വിജയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ടീം സി
MG University.
of 65 points.
Yes.
And second goes to team D with a score of 35 points. Congratulations.
So, MG University bags a prize. MG University takes a trophy and a cash prize of 5,000. Please give them a big hand. 5,000 rupees and a trophy and certificates. A big congrats to you from the K. Thomas Memorial Committee and the Quiz Master. Keep going good. All the best. Now the second team is from the second prize. You get a certificate and a cash prize of 3,000 rupees. The team from Kollam Fatima. Give them a big hand. It was a closely fought contest, and I hope the audience also were really active. And I thank you all for this and look forward to more events in the coming years. With this, the Quiz Master signs off.